Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today, we're doing a pretty fun video. It's a collaboration here with Darlene here on YouTube. I'm going to put her YouTube name on the screen for you guys. And also go ahead and check out the video. I'm going to link down below in the description box. So I reached out to Darlene, aka Chula, here on YouTube, and I suggested or asked if she wanted to do a swap with me, and she kindly agreed. We decided on what plants each of us kind of liked or wanted from each other's collections and gave each other ideas of what to send each other. I'm not absolutely sure what she's sending me, but I have an idea. Thought this would be super fun, and I'm super happy that she agreed to do this with me. Thank you so much, Chula, for doing this swap with me. If you're coming from Chula's channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And if you are not new to my channel and you haven't checked out Darlene's channel, again, I'm going to leave it linked down below in the description box so you can see what I sent her. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So first thing first, I did not know she was going to send such a big box. We discussed sending about 5 plants to each other, whether it was cuttings or rooted in moss. It really didn't matter what substrate they were in, but we agreed on 5. But I said, that I would be sending some extra things and, that she could just send me whatever she's comfortable with sending me. And I didn't expect such a large box, but she is very, very kind. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see what she sent me. So I have my box cutter here ready. Trying to be super careful not to cut anything. I know Chula was telling me that she's never shipped out plants before and things like that, but I told her that was okay, that it's a learning process. I have shipped out plants only because I have a PalmStreet, but she has received plenty of plants in the mail, so I'm pretty sure she did a good job packing. And I have to say that this box came to me really fast. She actually FedExed it, and she sent it on Tuesday, and today's Thursday, so it only took 2 days. I shipped mine USPS because that's what I typically ship mine in. She should receive hers tomorrow if I'm going by the tracking of USPS. So hopefully everything arrives well. This is what the inside of the box is looking like. So already I can tell that she did some good bubble wrapping kind of packing. Plastic here on top. I do see a little bit of moisture, but I think that everything will be okay. Oh my gosh, she sent me some plant tags. These cute little plant tags. Really nice. Wow, you sent me a lot of these, Chula. You sent me 8 of them. So maybe that's the number of plants she sent me. I'm always getting ahead of myself. But this is super exciting. This is such a fun way to share your collection with somebody and build your collection without having to have to spend too much money. As long as you're being careful who you're sharing your plants with and things like that, and you come to a mutual agreement, because there's a lot of risk with shipping and things like that. So I don't blame her if any of this goes bad or anything like that. I totally know that it's a risk. And the next thing I see are some pots. These are super cute, Chula. They're clear pots with little saucers. Wow, this is so nice. I didn't even know that she was going to be sending me any pots at all. Her packaging on these plants are really nice. She has them wrapped in some paper towel, and she did use some packing tape here. She also stapled the paper towel up top so it wouldn't come undone. This is so nice. So this is a begonia. We all know the begonias don't always ship well, but the way that she packed these, they are in perfect condition. She also used some cotton balls in here to make sure that the plant didn't get smushed or anything, or the leaves didn't get too much moisture on them. So this is the begonia ice capades. You guys know I've been looking into begonias and I've been wanting to add some begonias to my collection. And this one looks like she rooted it in moss. I'm super excited about this one. And she's in great condition, you guys. This is the newest leaf here, hasn't completely unfurled. But look at how beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Jula, I had no idea that you were going to be packing like this. You should definitely be selling some plants. So that's the first one. I'm going to put her off to the side. I did tell her that I was into begonias and Hoyas and like what type of begonias and Hoyas I like. And we did watch each other's channels to kind of give each other ideas. This one's another begonia, super cute. And it's the begonia Sinbad. Oh my gosh, this is another wish list begonia for me, you guys. I'm so excited about it. Her little leaves are so cute. Look, it's late at night, so I had to use my ring light to film. So hopefully you guys can get a good idea of what the plant looks like. Super cute. So yeah, this is the begonia Sinbad. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Plant number 3. She really thought about the presentation and everything, you guys. This one's a Hoya. It's a wish list Hoya as well. And it's the Wilbur Graves Russia. Look at those beautiful leaves, you guys. She is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Chula. Oh my gosh. This one's another Hoya. It's the Hoya Silver Dollar. Look at how beautiful that leaf is. And she put a tag in every one of these pots. I'm so excited. There's a lot of moisture on these paper towels, but it's good for begonias as long as they're not in the mail for too long or not getting hot. These cotton balls really protected the leaves. This is gorgeous. This is the begonia Guy Salvador. Salvador. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys. All the names of the plants, but look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh. I just have to stare a little bit. It's got new growth coming in. I'm so excited to watch this one grow, you guys. Look at how beautiful that begonia is. It's just beautiful. Wow. And look at the dark. Oh my gosh, I hope it's coming off on the camera how beautiful this begonia is. It's just gorgeous. So beautiful. I know she was worried about mailing begonias, mailing the plants, period, because she's not super versed on packing plants, I guess. But I told her that, you know, it would be okay. Yay. Oh my gosh. This is plant number 6, you guys. She already sent me. Oh, more. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is the begonia white ice. It's gorgeous. Wow, this one's a little bent, which is okay. But look at how beautiful. These ship so well, Jula, Darlene. I don't know what you want me to call you. I call you Chula every time I respond to your messages. Plus, I like the name Chula. The nickname Chula. You guys already got a little sneak peek of this one. This is in Alocasia. It's the Alocasia Ivory Coast. I do not have this one in my collection. I think this is a large form Alocasia. I'm not sure if it's large or a jewel form. Let me know down below, you guys, if you know. Alocasia Ivory Coast. Beautiful. I love the pinky stems, and it has like a pattern on it. Can't wait to grow that one up to be larger. She has so many leaves too. I wonder if it's 2 plants in here. It looks like it's 2 plants. And there's 5 leaves. Beautiful, beautiful Alocasia. How much is that already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 7 plants already, you guys. Here's plant number 8. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know she was going to send me this one. I know. Oh my gosh. This is a wish list. I was just talking to Mona about this plant. This is the Alocasia Frydek. I've been wanting to bring this one into my collection for so long. I actually ordered one from Green Escape on PalmStreet, but somehow it got damaged in the mail before it even came to me. I just received a message saying that it was being returned because it was damaged. Green Escape did offer to send me out a new plant, but I decided to just get my money back for it because they were saying if there was a problem with it again, that they could not send me out another one. And so I didn't want to take the chance. And so that's when I bought the Hoya that I bought recently. So yeah, I'm so excited that she was able to send me a little plant of the Alocasia Frydek. This one has been on my wish list for a while now. All of these plants are on my wish list, you guys. I'm so excited. And what is this, number 8? This is number 9, you guys. I don't know how she figured it out, but I sent her the same amount of plants. This is the Hoya rotundiflora. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I have not seen this plant in person at all, and it is so cute. Look at those cute leaves. You can see some like hairs on it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to grow this one. So I'm back, you guys. I know I ended the video and everything. Maybe I'll plug this in before I end the video, but I missed something. And while we were messaging back and forth, she let me know that there were clear stakes in there that I totally missed because they're clear, obviously. I lifted the paper and stuff and I thought that it felt a little heavy, but I didn't realize that it was heavy because there was something still left in there. And yeah, she told me that these stakes were in there, so I had to go back in the box and check it out. And she sent me 3 clear stakes. I've been wanting to purchase these online. I don't know if she got them from Amazon or where she purchased these from, but I do want to ask her, as well as the cute little pots. I really like these pots as well. They're super cute. And yeah, so yeah, she did an amazing job. So on to the rest of the video. Love these stakes. Can't wait to use them. I'm going to definitely be using these on the begonias. And thanks again, Chula. I believe that's everything. Yep, that is everything in the box. So I have 3 new Hoyas, 3 new beautiful Hoyas to add to my collection. 2 new alocasias that I don't have in my collection. 1 definitely a wish list. And I'm excited to watch this one grow as well. And 4 gorgeous cane begonias. I cannot wait to see these grow into big, beautiful plants and to be able to share them with others as well. So I tilted you a little bit downwards so you could see all the beautiful plants. I'm so excited about all of these, you guys. I'm going to take the tape off and I'm going to put them in a bin just so that they can acclimate and continue to grow in nice high humidity, because all of these plants really could use some humidity. They love humidity. I know Hoyas do, begonias do, and alocasias as well. And so I'm going to just quarantine these, as you should, as everybody should, quarantine new plants that are coming into their collection. And yeah, I'm so excited. I can't tell you how much I'm over the moon about this swap. Chula, you really outdid yourself. I really do appreciate that you did this for me. This was really nice of you to do. And you gave me extra pots and you gave me extra tags. Really nice and sweet of you. I really appreciate it. This is so much fun. I hope that you are happy with everything that I sent you, that we can do this again in the future. So to wrap this video up, I just want to say, go ahead and check out that link down below in the description box. Check out what I sent Chula. Tell her I sent you if you're new to her channel. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to her. Subscribe to me. Give this video a thumbs up. Click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I will keep you guys updated on how these plants do. Thank you so much for joining me on this fun swap video. I can't stop smiling. I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I will give you an update of these plants. Bye.